Changing your legal name on PrestaShop is an important process that ensures your business information is up to date. Follow these steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Log into your PrestaShop account. Access your PrestaShop account by entering your credentials on the login page. Make sure you have administrative rights to make changes to the store settings. Step 2. Navigate to the Preferences section. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use the SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Update your legal name. In the Preferences section, look for the Store Information or Business Information tab. Here, you can find the field for your legal name. Replace the old name with your new legal name and ensure all other relevant information is correct. Step 4. Save changes. After updating your legal name, scroll down to find the Save button. Click it to ensure that your changes are recorded in the system. It is important to confirm that the changes have been successfully saved. Step 5. Verify the update. Finally, navigate back to your store's front end or the relevant sections to verify that your legal name appears correctly. This ensures that all customers and partners see the updated information. By following these steps, you can successfully change your legal name on PrestaShop. Keeping your information current is essential for maintaining professionalism and compliance in your business.